Welcome to the ORASCAN installation tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to install and configure your ORASCAN. The ORASCAN is an opening and safety sensor for sliding doors, securing the complete threshold and side screens when needed. It has a safety field coverage of up to 8 meters, depending on the mounting height. This way, only one sensor kit can do the job for all door dimensions. First, prepare the tools needed for the installation of the sensor. Download our user-friendly and free mobile app for effortless installation, configuration, and monitoring of your ORASCAN. The product is shipped as a kit of 2 sensor modules, one for each door side. The following elements are included in the box. You can choose from a wide range of accessories to mount the ORASCAN. Before installing the sensor, always carefully read the user's guide included in the box or available via our digital platform. Step 1. Mounting and wiring. To start, remove the cover by inserting and twisting a screwdriver into the left and right notch. Then slide off the mounting base. Position the sensor as low as possible, but max 40 mm from the bottom of the door controller. The positioning aids prevent you from fixing it too high. The ORASCAN can be mounted on double sliding doors or single sliding doors. On a single leave door, the sensor can be mounted in the center or at the main closing edge, but it must never extend beyond the edge of the door leave. For a correct positioning of the laser curtains, it is important that the base of the sensor is parallel to the door leaves. If the profile cover is not parallel to the door, you can use the tilt accessory to level it out. Mark the screw positions and drill the holes or use the self-drilling screws provided in the box. Remove the positioning aids from the base and securely attach it. Drill through the 2 bases and the door to pass the power and the bluespin cables. Pass the cables through the hole and ensure firm placement in the base notch. Make sure you have enough cable length to connect the plugs. Slide the sensor module on the base and fasten the lock firmly. Always make sure the sensor is mounted securely. Don't forget to remove the plastic film. Connect the different plugs. You can choose either of the CAN connectors to connect the bluespin cable. Connect the side screen safety and the power plug. The sensor connected to the door controller is the main module. Connect the wires to the door controller according to the wiring diagram for your product version. Also check out our wiring tool for easy wiring to your door controller. You can find the link below in the description. Install the second module following the same steps. On this side, you only need to pass and connect the bluespin cable. After mounting and wiring the sensor, always make sure that the profile cover is properly closed. Step 2. Dip settings. Configure dip 1 to correspond to the mounting side. Keep it on/off if this module is installed outside and switch it to on if the module is mounted inside and connected to the door controller. Switch dip 2 to on to use the radar output in frequency or current source mode for an emergency exit application. Switch dip 3 to on to activate the side screen safety if needed. For the use of dip 4 and 5, please refer to the user's guide. After changing a dip switch, the main LED blinks orange. A long push on the red push button confirms the setting. You can also adjust the settings of dip 2 to 4 via mobile app, but only when they are set to factory values. Step 3. Connect via mobile app. Open the ORASCAN mobile app and connect it to the sensor. The initial password is indicated on the label inside the box or on the Bluetooth leaflet and can be personalized afterwards. At power on or after a power cycle, the Bluetooth is activated for 30 minutes and the LED blinks. When the smartphone is pairing with the sensor, the LED is blinking quickly. Once paired, the Bluetooth LED is on. Good to know. Before launching a teach-in, we recommend activating the service mode via app. This way you can check the output settings and wiring of the door opening. Be careful, the safety is deactivated during the service mode. Before activating the service mode, remove all objects located within the laser field, such as ladders or other tools. Please check that the door is in automatic mode. Step 4. Teach-in. Clear the area and make sure no one walks through the door during the teach-in. Step out of the detection zone and launch a teach-in via mobile app on one of the modules. You can also use the button for a simple push and comply. Launch it on either sensor module to start the teach-in of both sensors simultaneously. The door opens automatically. You can hear the motor positioning the safety curtains correctly. The sensors learn their environment, define the safety areas, and the door opens and closes a few times. When the teach-in has successfully finished, the safety curtains of both sensors are correctly positioned according to safety standards. Step 5. Opening field. Tilt the antenna to position the radar opening field as desired. It is important to launch a radar calibration via app when the sensor is closed at the end of the installation. If desired, you can adjust the field size via mobile app. If you need a different field shape, you can easily switch from wide to narrow. Good to know. You can install up to 4 virtual opening buttons to activate the door in addition to or instead of the radar field. Simply launch a virtual opening button teach-in via app. Place your hand in the desired position, and you're ready to go. You can always check the virtual opening button's position via the viewer on your app. Well done, you are almost finished. You can close the sensor now. If you have changed the opening field angle, launch a radar calibration via app. Before leaving the premises, it is important to check the installation. To finish, here is a quick recap of the different steps. 1. Mount and wire the sensor. 2. Configure the dip settings. 3. Connect the app to the sensor. 4. Start a teach-in. 5. If needed, adjust opening field or add virtual opening buttons. Thanks for watching this ORASCAN tutorial. For more detailed information, refer to the user's guide or contact our team. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful installation info. See you next time.